Chris Picciurro, MRR Institute. Let's talk about KPIs, key performance indicators. And as a tax or accounting firm owner, you need to know your top 3 KPIs. Now, that could be different based on whatever practice type you have. Common KPIs that we've used in our practice would be turnover rate, revenue per client, revenue per team member, net new clients for the year, etc., etc. So whatever it means for you, strategic revenue income, there could be a ton of different KPIs, but just come up with 3 KPIs that really identify how your performance is, track them weekly, monthly, or at least quarterly, and make sure you have a firm foundation of where you're at right now and how you're going to get to where you want to be.